food has many reasons why you might want to eat it. Sometimes you want to eat it because it looks good. Sometimes because it's healthy and really good for you and has healing properties. But sometimes you just want to eat calorie bombs, deep fried stuff, junk.
The other really good thing about junk food is the fact that it attracts young people like sugar attracts flies. Wow.
Whatever's bad for your health is my favorite junk food.
Wow.
Junk is totally my funk. That is the sole reason that I'm mad about junk food.
Wow.
I can have it anytime, anywhere. It's my favorite.
Wow.
I like French fries most. Crazy about chicken.
Chili chicken, fried chicken, anything. Just give me piles and piles of it. I'll eat it.
Food man!
अमृतसर बड़ी दूर दूर से लोग आते हैं खाने के लिए। यहाँ पे जो भी है सब कुछ बेस्ट है।
पाव भाजी भी बहुत अच्छी लगती है।
पाव भाजी हो गया, डोसा हो गया,
बटर चिकन बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
कढ़ाई चिकन, बटर चिकन,
चिली चिकन मेरा फेवरेट है।
पिज्जा हो गया, मोमोज हो गए।
चॉकलावा केक।
जहाँ भी आप जाओगे देखोगे हर एक चीज टेस्टी है।
Look at all that tandoori, man. You know what I'm craving right now?
What?
Something deep fried.
Deep fried?
Yeah.
You got all this tandoori and you're craving deep fried. Dude, that's like standing in a distillery saying, "Thoda sa doodh de do ji."
Doodh is always good. But here's, I'll tell you why I'm craving it. Every time I see food that I really like, I want to push it to the next level. And I think the healthiest food, if you're in Amritsar, is deep fried food. So this is good. I'll have it on the side as another dish. But the main course has to be deep fried.
You're delirious. Deep fried is healthy.
Yes.
Come, let me get you some food.
One of the most famous things you can eat in Amritsar is the Amritsari fish. This one you will get at Makhan Fish on Majita Road near Madan Hospital. And anybody will point you in the right direction because this is a legend. That is beautiful. We Punjabis love our singhara or catfish. And the way we like it best is deep fried in sarson ka tel or saron da tel as we like to call it over here. And here's how the tastes are changing over the years. Traditionally we used to eat the fish with this, a really nice sweetened chili coriander chutney. But now this is the new kid on the block. Guess what this is? If you're eating fish, you've got to eat it with
Mayonnaise.
It is delicious. Again, it's been Punjabified. There is no way I can explain this mayonnaise to you because it is unlike any other mayo that you've ever seen. But it's so good.
Amritsar is famous for many, many iconic food items. But this pretty much defines Amritsar because this, everywhere else in the world, is called Amritsari Machi.
With this Hari Mirchi chutney, this is the legendary taste of Amritsar. Pape. Food ki chahiye. Kukkad, shukkad, machi, muchi, pangra, shagra.
मैं दसना और की चाहिए है. When you come out in Amritsar or in many other places in Punjab, especially in the evening, you can have two ways that you can do it. Even here in Makhan Fish, you can come with your family and sit on the floor above, which is air conditioned, very nice, very neat. Or you can come with a bunch of pals, and besides eating, you can indulge in a little bit of something to lubricate the throat. How else can you work up a great appetite? Company of friends, a little bit to drink, and a lot of laughter.
The fish now is not the only fried thing over here. And you may be surprised asking me, what is all this tandoori food doing? I will tell you what. This tandoori chicken with the little green nothings wistfully distributed over it is also deep fried. Yes, yes, it has come out of the tandoor, but the amount of ghee that goes into it 2 or 3 times while it is being cooked ensures that this is deep fried in ghee or ghee. Oh, everything you have in Punjab is going to have generous portions of ghee, butter, oil, you name it, it's there. Take a look at this mutton, for example. Now, it's just a simple mutton dish on this side, but over here, look at the cream and butter on it this side. Oh, and there is something about the butter and the cream of Punjab that makes it incredible. Nobody else and nowhere else can you quite get this flavor. There's an explosion of flavors on this table.
Wait.
No, this is happening over here
Okay, yeah.
as we speak.
Yeah.
Which of course is led by this, the deep fried fish, which is deeply, deeply satisfying. Your last swim was legendary. What a meal that was, Mayo. बहुत पेट भर गया है यार.
तो तेरा बार हो गया यार, मेरे को तो बड़ी भूख लगी यार.
5 चीजें खाई हैं, 12 नान खाए हैं साथ में, आधा किलो प्याज. What do you mean पेट बनी भरा?
एक भी चीज डीप फ्राइड नहीं खाई.
पॉइंट तो है सर.
खाना खिलाओ.
नहीं, खाना तो तेरे को बाद में खिलाता हूँ. पहले मैं तेरे को एक सरप्राइज देना चाहता हूँ, लेकिन उसके लिए तुझे कुछ करना पड़ेगा.
क्या करना पड़ेगा?
You will have to freeze.
Where are we?
That, my friend, should give you a clue. I've just bent the space-time continuum and made him disappear from Amritsar and appear in Ludhiana. And all you can ask is, where's deep fried?
Yes.
Don't worry, if I've got my calculations correct, and if we've traveled 6.7 hyperseconds, 4 minutes into the future, we've arrived at a place called Chauda Bazaar. And there is a place called Pandit Paranthe Wala over here. And everything he does is deep fried in oil. And in case you're not satisfied with it, there's also half a kilo of butter on each parantha.
Ludhiana craves for butter chicken, rada chicken and lachha paratha.
लुधियाने के परोंठे रात को 3 बजे भावे 4 बजे जब मर्जी खा लो, 2 बजे सब टाइम मिलते हैं. परोंठे तो लुधियाने की फेमस है.
I like paratha with makhan.
पंडित के परोंठे बहुत अच्छे हैं. रात को चौड़ा बाजार में मिलते हैं, जो मर्जी ले लो. रात को 12 बजे 2 बजे ले लो, तभी भी मिलते हैं.
The Pandit Parantha is justly famous for 2 very special things. One, all their paranthas take a swim in oil. And secondly, they are served with a big chunk of butter. And that's how much butter you're supposed to have with one parantha. In fact, we've asked for the smaller portion. There is a bigger one as well to be eaten with one parantha. But most importantly, and this is the bonus point, is that their dahi is famous from far and wide. Because you will seldom get a dahi that tastes as good or as consistent. At least that's what the legend says.
This dahi, creamy, lots of malai in it. And I think it's a good idea to have some of this dahi to sort of line your insides for the carnage that is about to ensue. And it's a really popular destination for people who, as usual in Punjab, have a little bit to drink. And speaking of drink, there is something that has come here. Ye kya hai?
Milkshake.
Oh!
And here's the other speciality of the house. And this one is unique. What is it, please?
It's a mango bottle drink with milk in it. So it's kind of their version of the mango milkshake.
There are 2 or 3 things that you should know about this place. Number 1, everything is deep fried, everything is unhealthy. Number 2, everything is delicious, everything is irresistible. Number 3, if you're a Miss Universe contestant or on a diet, don't bother to even turn into Chauda Bazaar because you'll get fat just smelling it. This is a meal in itself. It is thick, it's stuffed with a ton of onions. I've got the gobi and the pyaz, or the cauliflower and onion. Absolutely delicious. There's about 10 or 15 spices that have gone into this. It's very unique. There's a huge amount of pepper.
I've got an aloo pyaz on the other hand. Large, fully stuffed paratha, dripping milk and butter.
Which means, by default, this one will be the paneer and pyaz paratha. Oh, secondly, I didn't put any butter on it. Oh, how can that be? Good. Now the butter's on. By the way, how's that drink?
It is surprisingly good. I've never had anything like that before. It's an unusual taste. I like it.
Here's my opinion, and a picture is worth 1,000 words. So here's what I think of the mango drink milkshake.
You don't like it?
No. When you come here, stick to the paratha and the chai, which is pretty incredible. Lots of cardamom, super sweetened, lots of butter to make it special Punjabi style cha. This may sound a little cliched, but out of all the different parathas that I've had, the aloo and the pyaz paratha is by far the best. And I think it's time for us to quickly finish our parathas and right away into the
sunset.
The sun is set long time ago.
Pre-dawn.
Moonrise.
Pre-dawn darkness.
Pre-dawn darkness.
On our horses.
We're in Punjab. There is only one steed of choice that you must ride. Finish and I'll show you.
And the cowboys think that they have it good in the Wild West. Oh no ji, east to west, Punjab is the best.